Adsorption of solution on solid adsorbent. Adsorption of solution on solid adsorbent depends on three factors. One is concentration and temperature of solution. Then second one is surface area of adsorbent, and then third one is nature of adsorbate. First, concentration and temperature of the solution, how will affect the solution adsorption on solid adsorbent. When you take the Freundlich adsorption isotherm, X by M is equal to, first point we will discuss the first point, X by M is equal to K into C power 1 by N. X is the mass of adsorbent, mass of adsorbate, M is the mass of adsorbent, C is the concentration of solution, so this equation is related to Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Freundlich adsorption isotherm. When you draw the graph between X by M and C, you will have a graph like this. At initially the concentration increases, the amount of gas absorbed also increases at lower concentration up to this. Once the concentration increases, the amount is above this point X by M, again increase in the concentration of solution, there is a layer formation, there is no amount of solutes or solvent adsorbed by the solid adsorbent. So the middle portion only, this X by M is equal to K into C power 1 by N. Here X by M is equal to K, constant. Here X by M is equal to C. Up to this, the amount adsorbed depends on the concentration of C. Here the amount adsorbed depends on the concentration power 1 by N. Here the amount adsorbed depends on the constant, that is a layer formation. There are two types of adsorption is there with respect to concentration. One is positive adsorption and negative adsorption. Positive adsorption. Positive adsorption means the solution is having two components. Solution is having two components, solutes and solvent. Solution is having two components, solutes and solvent. When you drop an adsorbent, so this is an adsorbent, there may be a possibility of adsorption of solute towards the adsorbent, one type. Another possibility is adsorption of solvent towards the adsorbent, another type. What is positive adsorption? Positive adsorption is nothing but solute adsorbed towards the solvent. Solute adsorbed towards the adsorbent. So this is positive adsorption. The solution having two components, solute and solvent. Solute adsorbed towards the adsorbent is nothing but positive adsorption. Solvent adsorbed towards the adsorbent is nothing but negative adsorption. That is solvent adsorbed towards the adsorbent is negative adsorbent. For example, you take a KCl solution, KCl plus water. KCl adsorbed towards the adsorbent is positive adsorption. Water adsorbed towards adsorbent is the negative adsorption. In the case of positive absorption, KCl concentration decreases. In the case of negative absorption, water concentration decreases. For the graph, amount adsorbed for positive absorption is KCl concentration decreases, C decreases. KCl concentration decreases in the case of amount adsorbed for, that is positive adsorption. Negative absorption so this is C, KCl concentration. Here amount adsorbed increases, because in the case of negative absorption, water gets adsorbed, KCl concentration increases. This is KCl concentration increases. So this is the two different types of adsorption with respect to concentration: positive adsorption and negative adsorption. Positive adsorption means solute adsorbed towards the adsorbent. Negative adsorption means solvent adsorbed towards the adsorbent. So this is the first point of effect of solution on adsorption of solution on solid adsorbent. The second point is surface area of the surface area of the adsorbent. More surface area, there is a more adsorption of solute or solvent towards the adsorbent. That adsorbent is having more surface area. That means the finally divided charcoal so very small particles of charcoal, that is this size of the charcoal is very minimum size. The surface area will be more adsorbent, more surface area, there is a more adsorption of solution, whether it will be solute or solvent towards the adsorbent. More surface area, more adsorption. More surface area, more adsorption. So this is with respect to surface area of the adsorbent. And third factor is nature of the adsorbate. High molecular weight solutions high molecular weight solutions. High molecular weight means the solutes have high molecular weight. Solutes have high molecular weight means there is a more adsorption. High molecular weight means that is the solute molecules easily move towards the adsorbent present in the bottom of the vessel, so it gets more adsorbed towards the adsorbent. So high molecular weight solute solutions having more adsorption. So these are the three different factors affect the adsorption of solute on solid adsorbent.